Guys, welcome back to our daily forex forecast. But actually, this period, we are not going to talk about forex, but we are going to talk about Bitcoin or crypto. Did you really make money from the last liquidation in Sunday, or did you lose some portion in the last liquidation? Well, if you haven't traded on Bitcoin in the last Sunday, well, you should be good to go. You're not making money and you're not losing either. In this video, I'm going to give you the reason why Bitcoin is moving very aggressively down more than 16% in a single day. And right now, that in this video, I'm going to give you what is the next plan for Bitcoin. Welcome back to our daily market analysis, and I'm Alex, your technical analyst from FunFX, and let's go straight to the chart. Okay guys, so pardon me because I sound a bit weird because I have sore throat. My throat is not feeling that good and I have stuffy nose. Well, the weather on my place is not quite great, so very high temperature for the last week. This is why I feel sick right now, so I apologize for the weird sound coming out from my mouth. So well, the first is let's check out the why Bitcoin is moving more than 60%, plunging more than 60% in single day. If you look here, okay, let's go to the daily chart. On the daily chart, we are going to measure first the price range, which is here. This is the massive liquidation. Yep, it was 15 minus 15.86, almost 16% on the downward momentum. This is very crazy. A lot of people getting margin call on the future market, and a lot of people also losing his saving because he decided to trade on future that he doesn't even know what next coming on the Bitcoin. Okay, if you want to trade Bitcoin, remember this: Bitcoin move in very long term range. So Bitcoin is not for trading. If you want to trade, go for Ethereum or maybe Solana, which is very good for trading. High volume, very stable. The structure itself same like XAUSD or the gold market. But actually, if you really want to trade Bitcoin, I advise you to take more higher time frame like weekly or even monthly, so eventually you are becoming investor on Bitcoin. If you ask me why people lose so much money, because if you look on the daily chart, the price still move in a very bullish momentum. Remember guys, let's move down to the monthly chart. Okay, we move to the monthly chart. I have made my personal analysis here on my LinkedIn if you want to check them out. But anyway, here we see right there, okay, the price already make, like we call it as the historic all-time high, which is right there. Bitcoin already make historic all-time high for the past couple of months. Okay, here or even a year, yeah. For more than a year after the price, after the price break its previous resistance, which is right there, the price is deciding to make another all-time high. You have to be careful about this one. Why? Okay, so for more than 3 years, there is a cycle on Bitcoin, which is, I call it as bullish and bearish phase, or consolidation or even corrective movement. Between here, all-time low and all-time low, or let's say that low point to low point, if we going to check it out, it's going to be ranging between 1,430 days. Yeah, okay, I apologize. Here, 47 bars or 1,431 days. If you're not going to believe, I'm going to give you another example, which is right there. This is why I really believe, I'm a strong believer that the history will repeat itself eventually. If you look here, okay, another one, 1,430 an exact 47 bar. So what will come next? Okay, if we really want to subtract, okay, this is from the past previous low, okay, so Bitcoin will likely to enter the bear market or the corrective movement for the much higher time frame, which is monthly time frame. It will likely to end on 1st of October 26. So it should be the bear market or corrective movement will likely to continue until the next year, which is 1 year cycle for corrective movement. Okay, here the good part, because I am a time trader, because I really believe that here on universe we are moved by time, or even in every day you are paid by hourly. So well, that doesn't make any sense, by the way, but I'm not going to explain you why I choose time trading or time geometry for this type of analysis. But look here, from the history data, it showed that, look, okay, so the past corrective movement, which is on 365 days, equal exactly 1 year. You don't believe that? Okay, let's go to another one. Here, the next one. Okay, this is the low. Boom, another year. So what will happen next? So, well, whoa, not this one, I apologize for that. Okay, so for the Bitcoin right now, okay, Bitcoin is going to start moving on the corrective movement. If you want to call it a bear phase, it's okay, because you trade on the daily chart. On the daily chart, it's going to be a nightmare for you if you are an investor. But for me, nah, I'm already liquidate my, well, in profit actually, 7% profit, only 7%. You say, why only 7%, Alex? You are a great trader. Not really. Thank you for talk with me. Thank you for your, well, kind word, because I'm not that good on trading, but eventually I will become a great trader. But well, anyway, 7%. Why only 7%? Because I buy very high, in very high price. I'm entered very late, because I don't have trust on Bitcoin. So I just decide to enter late because I want to see the strategy, the best strategy that can make me money in Bitcoin or in crypto market. I usually trade on Solana and Ethereum, but I rarely, very rarely trade on Bitcoin market, because I do not like the structure on daily or even in the 4-hour chart. I didn't love single structure on the Bitcoin market. I love Solana and Ethereum, but you maybe have different opinion about that. But well, 7% is quite high, because I received that no more than a month, only 2 weeks, which is very good. And after I take my profit, the price climbed up to 128, which is another all-time high. And then right now, the price plunged almost more than 16%. You can call me lucky or you can call me anything, but I really understand the structure. So if you want to trade, you really have to understand the market itself. You doesn't want to, well, okay, let's see what this influencer talk Bitcoin so much, let's buy Bitcoin based on his bias. No. You are a trader, guys. You are a good trader. You watch this video because you are a good trader. Please do your own diligence, do your own analysis. Okay, in the market you shouldn't you shouldn't trust anyone. I have a trust issue about in our group, in our analyst group, because I really want to make sure that every analysis that come or every strategy that come to the market is very objective, not subjective. Okay, so well, okay, let's cut this small talk. We are going to check out. So what is the next move? I'm going to do top-down analysis. Top-down analysis, I'm going to give you monthly chart. So on the monthly chart, okay, if we are going to enter on the bear phase or consolidation or even corrective movement, where is the next fuel stop to fuel the bullish momentum on the Bitcoin. Okay, you are going to be shocked here because here this is the demand zone already picked up by the Bitcoin, but let's go straight to there. Okay, so the first demand zone, let's see if you want to make this as a demand zone. It's valid demand zone, but it already visited, but it's not quite strong enough. Okay, it will come to, okay, 73,000 or just for that until $49,000. So that's the range that Bitcoin will likely to revisit this demand zone. But if it failed to make a rejection or something like that, the next demand zone is very shocking because it came at $31,827 until $24,000. So let's run it up to 32K until 25K. I'm talking about history will repeat itself. If you look here, okay, so between the all-time high until the price really want to came down, okay, Bitcoin will likely to make a correction here. Wait, let me delete this first. Make a correction as much as more than 70%. So let's call it, well, more than 80%, which is around here. Here, 84. Here, let me check. Let me delete this first. 86%. Okay, which is very crazy. I'm shocked with this data. The next one, okay, on the demand zone, which is on minus 77%, which is aligned very exact point on the middle of demand zone. If you want to, well, make it even crazier, minus 79.87%, which is on the low zone of the demand zone, which is right there. This is the bigger picture. If you want to, well, mark it down to the weekly. Okay, let's check out weekly. We are going to see that the price will likely to hover or make a correction into this zone here, very small one. This is the demand zone, very small demand zone. There will likely to the price to reject in this zone, which is at around $92,000 until $86,000. So well, this video is a bit long. Okay, I'm going to keep it quick. So the plan is for the Bitcoin, if you are an investor, of course you want to wait or you want to average down if you already buy on 100,000 mark. You want, if the price already plunged below the 100,000 mark, you maybe want to collect some Bitcoin. But if you are an investor, of course you are going to hold Bitcoin more than a year, more than 5 years, or maybe more than a decade. Okay. So the best overall buy position is on either, okay, 73,000 until 49,000, or this is the very worst price, 31,000, 32,000 until $25,000. That's pretty much it. Well, if you are a trader, don't worry about that, mate. You are a trader. Really, you are a trader. You can, well, if the price on the Bitcoin already plunge or make a bearish momentum, but you can option for short position. But make sure you watch our educational videos so you can get the best strategy ever in every pair. But I'm not guarantee you that different trader have different personality or different character. So that's pretty much it for the Bitcoin, and I hope you learned something for this. So before we end this video, I'm going to quickly make a summary. So Bitcoin on the monthly chart right now show that Bitcoin, this is the time for Bitcoin to make a correction, okay, on October. Okay, on the weekly chart, the correction will move. Okay, this is not the worst one, but potentially that on the weekly chart the correction of the Bitcoin will stop at $92,839 until $86,277. If you want to talk daily, no, don't talk about daily, because daily move on the very bearish momentum. I mean the very consolidation sideways momentum. And right now the price make Megaphone. Okay, I don't like trading on Megaphone because Megaphone, you are going to take your stop loss rather than your take profit. Your stop loss will be in the high point rather in your profit itself. So guys, well, that's pretty much it for the outlook for the Bitcoin. I hope you learned something from this video. Sorry about my voice. My voice is a bit weird this day because I don't feeling fit. My body doesn't feeling fit, and I hope you enjoyed from this video. I hope you learned something about Bitcoin, and please guys, trade safe. If you doesn't have knowledge about technical analysis, don't ever go to future market. Don't ever bother influencer. Well, like he rich because he traded on future. No. You have to make sure that you have very strong technical knowledge if you want to trade on every pair. Forex, crypto, stocks market, even gold commodity market. You have to really have very strong knowledge in technical analysis. Okay, so guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share in this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow our X, Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram so you can get notified if I made this kind of video. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.